when you feel weak. There are days when you feel tired in places you do not even have words for. And that is okay. Your weakness is not a failure. It is an invitation for God to carry you. Pause. Breathe softly. Let the weight you are holding begin to melt away. Let God's presence hold the fragile places inside you, and feel His strength rising gently within. And remember this truth: you are beautiful, no matter what anyone has said. Never forget that. Prayer. Lord, increase my faith in times of weakness. Father, meet me in the places where I feel worn out or overwhelmed. Your word reminds me, my power is made perfect in weakness. Fill me with strength where I feel empty and courage where I feel afraid. Pause. Inhale grace. Exhale pressure. Lift my spirit above discouragement and renew my hope for the journey ahead. Let my weakness become a doorway for your strength to shine through me. Pause. Renew me, Lord. Amen.